Hey guys, Abner's Reviews here. So this is a follow-up video on our Haylou GT1 Plus true wireless earbuds. So the error that I was describing on our previous video is when you first use your GT1 Plus true wireless earbuds and you are not able to pair them both at the same time. I found out that that is a factory default setting. So to fix that, all you need to do is get your Haylou GT1 Plus true wireless earbuds, take it out. So there's a touch sensor on our earbuds. So all you need to do is press on both of them until they turn red, like so. There. So effectively, we have turned off or cut the power of our earbuds. So what we need to do is press them both again so that we would see a red blinking light and then into a white light. So we just need to press it again, like so. So there you go. The red blinking light will indicate that they are now both paired. So the left and right will be now paired. So all we need to do is turn on our Bluetooth from our device. We turn on our buds by pressing on them. There, so it's blinking red and white right there. So our device should pick it up. There you go. Click on that Haylou GT1 Plus R, and then you'll be asked to pair the left one right there. So if I zoom in, you're being asked to pair the left bud. So just click on pair. And there you go. Now your GT1 Plus true wireless earbuds are connected and you can use it both on stereo mode. That's all for today, guys. If you liked our video, toss a like down there. And please do not forget to subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Good day, guys, and I'll see you later. Thanks.